cause you steady snoozing. Man, my grind exclusive, screaming hallelujah. A thin line between a lie and the truth. You rather sleep in the cooch.
Hey you guys, these are things we'll need today. We'll need the 30 developer, your bowl, your BW2 bleach, brushes, and of course your frontal. You guys are going to go ahead and mix the bleach inside of the bowl along with the 30 developer. You want to mix it to a thick consistency, not too thick to where you can't apply the product, and of course not too liquidy so the product won't bleed through your frontal. You're going to go ahead and apply your bleach like you're buttering a piece of toast. Do not press down, just kind of lay the bleach on top of the frontal. And just a heads up, wear gloves because I forgot to and the bleach burned my finger, and y'all, it just did not feel good.
Can't believe I flew to Miami and seen Collins. Man, I know I'm destined to shine, just need polish. Being broke, that shit for the dummies, I fiend knowledge. Cause bitch, I need a spot on the top, Rasheed Wallace. Mama said get your hustle on. Cause your daddy in the streets, little nigga, he ain't coming home. Man, I wish my name was Russell Combs. Cause money on my mind all the time, I got a duffel dome. I need them loafs, I ain't talking about days. Been grinding so hard, I've been losing track of the days. Know my future gon' be good if I stick to the plan. I'm from Michigan, nigga, where that snow'll make you a man. 100. Staying focused, gotta stick to my task. And if I ever pass away, I bet my hand in my bag. I seen some stocks that I wanted, I had to dip in my stash. We gon' run up this cash to see that digital dash. Yeah, I be on the move for real, I really like to transport. Niggas tryna beef with me, meet me at the airport. Cause truth be told, I don't roll with too many. These niggas hands out like they put some groceries in me, I'm lost. But we gon' get it in, I'm just tryna live. Y'all can have them kids, I just want them M's. I'm in love with this money, I've been cramming shit. Man, I think I'm Kurt Angle the way I'm slamming shit. She know I handle it, I ain't with the rambling. Bend her over, jump up in that kitten, get the damaging. Niggas out here playing with their life, these niggas scrambling. Echinacea over the pineapples, organic. Colossal to the gristle, ain't no question we official. You know my bars ugly, get Picasso with the pencil. Ain't too many